In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly process for the HAOARA bed frame and also show you what the final product looks like so you know exactly what to expect when your bed frame arrives. So step one of this is getting your headboard legs attached. Very easy. Just 4 screws in the back for leg number 1. And then 4 screws for leg number 2. Just like that, your headboard is attached and should be standing up for you. And the next part is just getting the inner support beams into place, and they basically just unfold, and then you just gotta screw a couple bolts in there, but very easy to do. Literally just unfold them, put the bolts in, and you are good to go. And to get the corners into place, it's very easy. They put this bolts in for you already, so you don't have to put them in. All you need to do is loosen them up, and you're able to take this, put it over the top, and now just slide it into place. And this is what it looks like when they are in place, but very easy, like I said. Just slide them on there, and you're good to go. Okay, so now you got the inner support beams in place, that outer frame connected, and your headboard attached to it. So the final part is just putting those slats down, and you're good to go. It's only 4 steps to get this whole thing together, and the slats are the last part, but they're also the easiest part. They're already attached, you just lay them down, and they Velcro into place. And here's what the final product looks like. Overall, I got this thing put together in about 30 minutes. It was really simple. Everything was nicely labeled, and they do give you all the tools that you need, which is just one Allen wrench. So basically, if you can screw in bolts, you can be able to get this together as simply as possible. But overall, I love the look of it. I needed something with a headboard. This gave me that. It was easy to put together. I've already thrown my mattress on here, and it doesn't make any noise at all. I've kind of been moving around on it. I had an all-metal bed frame in the past, and that was just too loud. It was squeaking every time I moved. But so far, this one, I've not heard one noise out of it, so I'm super happy about that. But overall, great bed frame, 2 thumbs up.